In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Squeeze Momentum indicator by LazyBear in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work for this tutorial, so just pull up the chart you usually analyze. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface. You'll see a button labeled Indicators. This is where all the built-in and community scripts live. Go ahead and click on that Indicators button to open the indicator window. When the window opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This search bar is the fastest way to find any specific tool without scrolling through long lists. Click on the search bar so it's active, and you'll see your cursor blinking, ready for you to start typing. Now type in Squeeze Momentum Indicator LazyBear. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Make sure you spell it clearly enough so that the correct script appears. You're looking for the version created by LazyBear, which is a very popular community script many traders use for visualizing momentum and potential squeeze conditions in the market. Once you see Squeeze Momentum Indicator LazyBear appear in the search results, click on it one time. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. You should now see a new panel appear, usually at the bottom of your chart, containing colored histogram bars and dots that represent the squeeze and momentum information. With the indicator added, the next step is to fine-tune it to your preferences. On the left side of the indicator's name, or near it on the panel, you'll see a small gear icon. This gear icon opens the settings menu for the Squeeze Momentum indicator. Click that gear icon to bring up the settings window. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like the colors, line styles, and sometimes the inputs that control how sensitive the indicator is. If you're new to this tool, it's often a good idea to leave the default values as they are while you get used to how it behaves. You can always come back later and tweak the inputs once you've tested it on different markets and timeframes. Finally, if you haven't already signed up for TradingView Pro, use the link in my video description to create your account. That way, you'll unlock more chart layouts, more indicators at the same time, and a smoother experience overall while using tools like the Squeeze Momentum indicator.